Squad. It's the day. Are you excited to go to the beach?
I'm so excited. We haven't been to the beach in so long.
Yeah, we really haven't, like, at all. But we have all these foods here. I'm getting ready to have like a little picnic on the beach. It's gonna be so much fun. We got all this goodies to eat. I'm so excited. Mommy's about to chop this cantaloupe. What's a cantaloupe? Yeah.
Like a fruit salad.
Yeah. Okay guys, so everybody is still trying to get like everything together for this beach day. Let's go check on the boys and see how they're doing. Nigel.
It's good.
Say hi.
Hi, Nadia Seed Squad. What's up?
How are you looking?
I'm good. I'm basically ready. I just gotta eat some breakfast because I'm starving right now. And then I'm ready to go. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we're all pretty hungry. Well, cool. Knock knock.
Hey, what's happening?
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Almost done?
I'm done. I'm ready to rock and roll.
Oh, you are?
I'm
Very
beach ready.
You're looking very beach-like.
You feel me?
Yes.
Beach though with a little style.
Okay, so it looks like everybody's about ready except for me. So I'm gonna go get ready a little bit more and I'll talk to y'all later. All right, off we go.
All right.
Let's see. Let's go. Okay guys, we just are all in the car, all ready to go. Are you guys ready?
Yeah, woohoo!
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Woo! Can't wait. Let's go. Okay guys, we just went to Five Below and we got some fun summer, beach stuff. And let's go to the car so we can finally get to the beach. I'm so excited. Let's go. Okay, I thought we were on our way, but we gotta get some food. So we're here at Panera Bread. Let's go. Thank you. Okay guys, we made it. Woo! Look, we're not at the beach. Well, we're at the beach. It's like over there. But we're getting unloaded right now. Boys are doing that. Just chilling here and I'm so happy. It was a long drive, but we made it. Okay, C Squad, we are at the beach finally, and look at our setup. It's a little messy. It's a little messy right now, but it'll get fixed up later. But now, it's so hot outside. Nadia, are you ready to go to the water?
Water time. Let's go.
Let's go. Here you go.
Is it cold, guys?
Yeah. Just jump. Just jump.
Just dunk yourself in there. Go, Nadia. Oh, she did it. She did it.
Okay, C Squad, so it is right now, I don't even know what time it is, but let's just say it's lunchtime. And Mommy Seed has made us some delicious food. She made us some sandwiches, some chips, some fruits. Everyone finished eating except for her, but yeah, it's really nice. This is so cute, right? You guys having a good time? But are you guys ever gonna get in the water?
We're gonna get in the water.
Okay. Okay guys, we're at the ice cream shop. Let's go get some ice cream.
Look at this flavor.
Oh look, it's Play-Doh. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm back home. And we had a great time at the beach. It was super fun. We are a little worn out, but it was really fun. I'm glad we could do it. Anyway, I think I'm gonna end it here. And as always, make sure you watch another video right now in full. And let's make not normal the new normal with Nadia. Bye.